Hello everybody and welcome back. In last session we have learned about the definition of physical education and the objectives of physical education, and now we are moving to the next subtopic, that is the need and importance of physical education. Dear learners, as we all know that we have two kind of diseases, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases, and more people die in the world today because of non-communicable diseases. These diseases are the lifestyle related diseases which we can modify, which we can prevent by modifying our lifestyle. So there physical education plays a very important role in modifying our lifestyle. So that is how physical education has become more important now than ever before. So here I will list out the benefits or the importance of physical education through the following slides. Now let's understand why physical education is so important today. The first point is children who are physically active. That means those children who regularly exercise or play sport regularly, they tend to perform better in their classrooms. That is, their academic level increases. That is, research has proved that exercises improves your intelligence. So that is how it is related to the academic side. The second point, physical education teaches us about our body, and once we know about our body and the different functioning of our different body systems like circulatory system, skeletal system, digestive system, individual try to remain healthy. They try to follow healthy practices. They try to avoid alcohol abuse or tobacco abuse or drug abuse, which is very prevalent today. The third point is physical education gives us the information, gives us the knowledge about what kind of exercise should be done and what should be the duration of the exercise, what should be the intensity of the exercise, what should be the frequency of the exercise. So all these you will learn in physical education, and thus you can remain healthy. The fourth point is physical education activities helps to reduce stress. Physical education activities are the physical activities or different sports and games. Again, research has indicated that practicing in different sports reduces your stress level. Physical education also consists of health education programs, and through this we learn about nutrition. What are the nutrients which we should take, how much quantity, and what are the function of these nutrients in our body. We also learn about the ill effects of substance abuse like drugs, alcohol and tobacco. We also learn we also get the awareness about taking the ill effects of taking junk food and all these things, and which helps to keep our students healthy. The sixth point is physical education improves the sporting environment by providing physiological, psychological and biomechanical aspects of different sports. That is, in this we learn what are the different functions which takes place in our body when we practice in sports and games, and how to maximize our performance by understanding our physiology. Then the psychological part, what are the different levels of psychological inputs which we require for performing well in our sports. And then the biomechanical aspect. Biomechanics is the different forces which is acting on our body, like how to throw the ball, how to send javelin to maximum distance, at which angle one should throw the ball. That is, it is physics applied to sports. So understanding all these aspects, that is the physiological aspect, psychological aspect and biomechanical aspects, help one sports person to perform better and to improve the sporting environment. The seventh point is physical education helps the gifted and the seriously interested students in sports to learn the game of sports of their choice in a scientific manner and excel in that sport. So it is very helpful for the sports persons. The eighth point is lessons in physical education does not limit itself to participation in sports or theory classes, but also into the organizing side. Children, by through organization of different intramural competitions within the college, they understand organizing skills, they develop their organizing skills, and this has a carryover value. Once they step into their life, they organizes their life events very well, and they polish their organizing skills through this way. The ninth point is physical education helps to inculcate self-discipline. Those who are part of school teams or those who are in college team now, they understand that without the self-discipline they will never be able to make in their college teams. They have to practice regularly, they have to practice hard, they have to practice systematically, and all these things, they have to eat food properly, they have to keep substance abuse at bay, at a distance. So doing all these things will only help them to fetch a place in their school college team. So in this way, physical education inculcates self-discipline, which is a very important aspect, very important life skill to be learned to be successful in one's life. The 10th and the final point is physical education helps in movement analysis. Physical education not only covers the sporting area, it also covers the human movement. It is concerned about human movement, how you walk, how you sit, how you sleep, lie down. All these postures, it is concerned about that. It teaches us what is the right posture so that the least strain is placed on our body joints. So in this way, it helps one to correct their own movements so that they can move more efficiently. It also helps in the society, as the one who understands this, they correct their friends and their relatives. By this, it helps in the society too. So I hope that the need and importance of physical education is very clear with these 10 points. So students, they can just read all these 10 points and then write in your own words about why it is so important. Thank you.